Metrolabs.
Thanks for watching and for your continued support. Today's hospitals and diagnostic laboratories are expected to deliver more than treatment. They must deliver speed, accuracy, hygiene, workflow efficiency, and patient confidence. And behind every successful healthcare facility, there is one invisible system supporting everything: the infrastructure, especially the furniture and workstation systems used every day. Why hospital and lab furniture matters. Hospital and diagnostic lab furniture is not just about appearance, it directly affects workflow efficiency, infection control, staff comfort, sample handling, equipment safety, and operational speed. Poor layouts create delays, improper materials create hygiene risks, and inefficient workstations reduce productivity. That is why healthcare furniture must be carefully engineered for clinical environments. Complete hospital furniture setup. A complete hospital setup requires multiple specialized furniture systems working together seamlessly. This includes reception counters, nurse stations, patient room furniture, medicine storage units, ICU support furniture, and utility workstations. Every area must be designed for easy cleaning, high durability, safe movement, and long operational life. Because in healthcare, efficiency saves time, and time can save lives. Diagnostic labs require precision infrastructure. Diagnostic laboratories demand even greater precision. Every workstation must support accurate testing, safe sample handling, chemical resistance, and contamination control. A complete diagnostic lab setup may include instrument benches, sample processing counters, sink units, storage cupboards, reagent racks, and modular laboratory workstations. Proper spacing and workflow planning reduce handling errors and improve operational efficiency. Material of construction. The material of construction plays a critical role in hospital and laboratory performance. Depending on customer requirements and application areas, furniture can be manufactured using stainless steel 304 for hygiene and corrosion resistance, SS316 and SS316L for higher chemical and pharmaceutical exposure environments, GI powder-coated structures for durable and cost-effective applications, and epoxy black granite worktops for heat resistance, chemical resistance, and long-term durability. Every healthcare environment has different operational needs. That is why customization is essential. Specialized healthcare furniture systems. Modern hospitals and diagnostic facilities also require specialized infrastructure systems. These include cleanroom pass boxes for contamination control transfer, crossover benches for sterile zone transitions, apron cupboards, storage systems, and modular cleanroom furniture. These systems improve infection control, workflow discipline, space organization, and operational safety, especially in microbiology, pathology, pharmaceutical, and critical healthcare environments. Ergonomics, safety, and workflow. Healthcare professionals work under constant pressure. That is why furniture must support ergonomics, comfort, safe movement, and workflow efficiency. Well-designed healthcare workstations reduce fatigue, improve productivity, and support better clinical performance, because infrastructure should support the people saving lives every day. At Metrolabs, we specialize in complete hospital and diagnostic laboratory infrastructure solutions. From planning, design, manufacturing, supply, and installation to customized healthcare furniture systems designed for real clinical environments. We deliver hospital furniture, diagnostic laboratory furniture, clean room systems, microbiology lab furniture, and modular healthcare workstations across India. Every solution is engineered for durability, hygiene, workflow efficiency, and long-term healthcare performance. In healthcare, every detail matters, and the right infrastructure creates safer, smarter, and more efficient medical environments. Partner with Metrolabs for complete hospital and diagnostic laboratory furniture solutions designed for modern healthcare facilities. We have successfully completed numerous projects, and here we are showcasing a few of our valued customers.